h cot x equals to h cot y plus 2h cot y. Okay, let's combine h. So h on other side. Therefore h into cot x minus cot y equals to 2h cot y, right? Okay, therefore capital H equals to what? 2h cot y upon cot x minus cot y. Okay, now check the answer what is given in your options. If it is given in the cot and this is similar to that, leave it here itself. If it's given in tan, then convert all these cots in terms of tan. So I have done that. 2h into 1 upon tan y, the whole upon 1 upon tan x minus 1 upon tan y. So 2h upon tan y, the whole upon tan y minus tan x upon tan x tan y. Okay. Now a upon b, the whole upon c upon d equals to ad upon bc. Remember this always. So what will you get over here? 2h tan x tan y upon tan y into tan y minus tan x, right? Equals to 2h tan x, this tan y gets cancelled, upon tan y minus tan x. Okay. Now what do we want? We want AC. This point, this line we want, because distance of the cloud from the point of observation. So this is what we want. We don't want the vertical distance, right? We want the hypotenuse. So see this, sin x equals to now h upon AC. Okay, see this over here. So sin x equals to h upon AC, right? Therefore AC equals to h upon sin x, right? So h upon sin x means what? Put the value of h which we have got. So that is 2h tan x upon tan y minus tan x upon sin x. So this sin x will be down here, right? So solve it now. So 2h, now what is tan x? Sin x cos x. Sin x cos x upon sin x, right? This sin x down, into 1 upon tan y minus tan x, this one, right? So sin x gone. 2h cos x, 2h upon cos x into tan y minus tan x, right? Getting this point? Now check what is given in the exam. Generally it's given that 2h sec x, means this cos x is converted to sec x upon tan y minus tan x. Generally these are the answers given, but it depends on what your exam answers are. If they are given in terms of cot, then convert them to cot. If in tan, then convert them to tan from here itself. Don't go on solving. Okay, from above only you can convert it over here. Okay. So depending on the options given to you, if they give you. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.